Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of airbrush painting with the Roizefar Airbrush paint set. If you're into 3D prints or any other creative projects, you're going to want to pay attention because this might just be the best airbrush paint for your needs. Now, what makes this set stand out? Let's break it down. First off, you're getting a whopping 36 colors, including 24 classic shades, 6 neon colors, and 6 metallic hues. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, this set has you covered. But wait, there's more. Along with the extensive color range, you also get 4 airbrush thinners. This means you can achieve the perfect consistency for your projects, whether you're working on fine details or covering larger surfaces. Now, let's talk about performance. These paints are water-based, which not only makes them easy to clean up but also ensures smooth application. No more worrying about clogs or inconsistent coverage. Plus, they're non-toxic, so you can feel good about using them in your creative space. The versatility of this set is truly impressive. From models and paper to fabric and metal, you can unleash your creativity on a wide range of surfaces. And with the included metallic and neon colors, your creations are sure to pop. Now, let's address some common questions. Yes, it's normal for the pigment to settle, but a quick shake before use solves that. And if you're worried about clogging, just add a few drops of thinner to achieve the perfect consistency. So, is the Roizefar Airbrush paint set worth it? Absolutely. With its extensive color range, ease of use, and versatile application, it's a must-have for any artist or hobbyist. Whether you're painting 3D prints or unleashing your creativity on other projects, this set delivers. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. Until next time, happy painting!